Hello Yorobun, and welcome back to me and my channel. And I'm back again and again and again. Again, I'm sorry kasi nawala ako, pero as I have said last time na nawala din ako, I am doing this for myself. I want to remember the things that are happening because sometimes, or a lot of times, nakakalimutan ko sila. So I don't want to do it. I don't want to forget the things that will be happening in the next few days. So I pushed myself to start again. So this is a quick vlog just to update what's happening. So it's our Christmas and New Year vacation. We have 21 days of vacation, and this is the third day. And this is the first day that I went out to buy some things. Actually isa lang siya. Tsaka ko na ikukwento kasi it's a Christmas gift for myself. I will be doing a video on the gifts that I received this Christmas. Not to inspire but to brag. not to brag, but like just to share and also remind myself to be thankful of everything that's happening and I'm receiving and stuff like that. So ayun, shinare ko lang. Magagawin ko yun, pero hindi ko pa siya gagawin right now. So, I don't have any more plans aside from the things that are happening in the next few days. May pupuntahan kaming place na gugulatin ko na lang kayo. And then, I hope I will be able to push out the vlog from Koh Samet, the vacation that we had last time. Nagmamakaawa ako sa boyfriend ko na sana i-edit niya na yung video para ma-post na natin. But yeah, so yun na lang yung hinihintay ko. I plan on just vlogging whatever will be happening, and so just because I don't wanna forget it. Because these days, naguguluhan na naman ako sa mga nangyayari sa life. Maybe because like the days are, ang tawag doon, like it's combining together because it's just routinary. So I don't wanna be burnt out because I feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over again. So ay, share ko lang. Life update, nakabili ako ng Christmas tree. That's 150 baht last time I bought it. So, I really love Christmas. Of course, the main reason is that Jesus was born. But other than that, like I love being able to give things and also celebrate it. Like, basta yun na yun. Gets nyo na sana yan. But as a gift giver self then, like nag-enjoy ako to give kung ano yung kaya ko. So don't expect. My disclaimer. I'll be vlogging the next few days and sana hindi ko kalimutan at sana hindi mapuno ang aking memory. That's also my biggest problem. Why I stopped recording anything. Kasi wala na akong storage. So, I deleted the CapCut in my phone just to be able to record again through my phone. So, I have to post agad-agad kapag nag-record ako just so I have more space. You get me? So, I think I'll just also buy a SD card para ilagay lahat ng bagay na hindi ko pa na-edit kasi it's easier that way. Share ko lang, dami ko na nasabi. Today I went to Mega Plaza to buy yung sinabi kong binili kong something na I will share. If you're following me on Instagram, you'll see it there kung ano yung binili ko. Pero I'll share it next time. And then I also went to Chinatown. But it was nighttime already, so wala akong masyadong nabili. Hindi ako masyadong na-entice sa food. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I went to 2 coffee shops already, so yung caffeine levels medyo OA na. And I think that's also why I have the energy to do this right now. Kasi nga, 2 coffee shop ang pinuntahan ng person na ito. Pero once pagdating ko sa Chinatown, may nakita agad ako na isang bagay na gusto kong bilhin, which is this one. It's only 50 baht. Tinry ko naman doon kung gumagana and it's working. So, pinili ko na siya kasi I like gusto ko yung mga maliliit na lights. Ganon. Dami ko nang nasabi. Caffeine to, caffeine. Pasensya na kayo. Pero ayun. I'll be doing vlogs again. Believe me, it's true. But I'm also pushing out content on TikTok, so please follow me there as well. And Instagram as well. Follow me for more. Ano daw? Just subscribe to see everything that's happening. Or just to see anything. Or maybe nothing. So yeah, I'll share things whenever. Nice to see you again. Kahit ako yung nakita nyo. Nice to see me again, right? Bye!